hit something, huh? I think that hit something, that last one. With the blue stuff. Stacy's probably getting it good.
Teresa said she didn't get any rain at all over there. That's Mabel and me. I mean Mabel and you can look this.
Well, sometimes we get it and Brandon doesn't. Oh wow, those are black ones. We've never had one last this long. What did Vanessa say about it, or Eric?
She said it was raining down there.
I can't believe it's all around us now. Oh. Oh wow.
Yeah, I saw that one.
I've never seen one like that. Holy crap.
That's scary.
Yeah, I've never seen it like this. Not even back east. Surprised we haven't lost our electricity yet.
It flickered a little while ago.
Yeah, it flickers.
What was that?
Something in the garage. But whoa!
Ooh.
But usually we lose it. Holy crap! I better so sorry just doing because he's keeping him. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.